The federal government has concluded arrangements to launch the Outsource to Nigeria Initiative, a private sector-led government-enabled program anchored by the Office of the Vice President. The Deputy Chief of Staff to the President, Office of the Vice President, Senator Ibrahim Hadejia, disclosed this at a news conference in Abuja. He explained that the initiative, which will be launched in Gombe State, was a timely and strategic public-private partnership to massively scale up job creation in the country. Hadejia noted that the outsourcing was one of the fastest ways of achieving job security, especially for the teeming youths. He said jobs created in the sector were well-paying jobs and that the market was growing rapidly.
With over 200 million young and vibrant minds, competitive costs, strong government backing, and rapidly improving digital infrastructure, Nigeria is now strongly positioned to be a formidable global outsourcing hub. The initiative offers comprehensive enablement across infrastructure, private sector incentives, talent development programs, and active promotion of Nigeria's proposition. Our dynamic private sector with government support is well equipped to drive Nigeria's rise as an outsourcing giant. This presents an unprecedented opportunity for job creation, entrepreneurship, skill development, and economic growth by bringing high-value outsourcing jobs onshore. By 2030, this market will grow to over $500 billion. And if we can get a big chunk of that, this will not only be an alternative to oil, it would probably be the biggest employer of young people that we have in the country. So this is why it has the absolute backing of the Office of the Vice President. We've been working with her to develop OTNI into being what it is. And when you look at what global outsourcing partners are looking for, we are probably in a better position than even most of those countries. We are an English-speaking nation. We speak better English than all these countries that I've mentioned. We now have a better infrastructure in terms of IT infrastructure than we had maybe 10 years ago when the boom started. And we have the skill set. We have the young people, energetic, vibrant. And then we have, companies like Amal's who are already doing this for the last 5 years. They have the skill set to train young Nigerians to provide these jobs. And these are not jobs, these are well-paying jobs. These are well-paying jobs.
For her part, the founder and chief executive officer of Outsource Global, Mrs. Amal Hassan, said the initiative would begin on the 4th of March simultaneously in Gombe and Kaduna State, as well as Abuja.
We are starting with training. We did a talent pool, and we segregated the talent based on their different skill sets, based on the requirements of the international market, based on the requirement of those companies internationally. And we've created a structured training based on that need. So we are matching the skill set with the need of the international market. So we are starting with different trainings, customer service trainings, sales and marketing training internationally, software development for the international market, accounting as a service for international market and domestic, legal as a service, just to mention a few. So we're inviting you to the launch.